Hola a todos, do-it-yourself Del here again, and today we're going to be talking about this Lala yogurt smoothie, and there's more than one fruit in there, but with all this blue on it, you'd think it would be blueberries and so forth, or mango. Excuse me. This is the mango flavor. So it's got probiotics in it, so that if you're ever in a situation where the doctors prescribe antibiotics, it wipe out your bacteria so you can get through your illness, but it also wipes out the good bacteria. Probiotics could in part at least replace that. Um, and let's see here. It's got a bunch of good things. The fat situation is low, 2 and 5 respectively. The cholesterol is low at 2%. The salt is 4%. Protein 10, sugar is 22, which is a little high, and the fiber is 7, and that's good. Now on the D, that's 10%. The calcium is 15. The potassium is 6, and the vitamin A is 15. Now all these numbers may not mean much unless you put them in context, and that's the percentage of the daily value. So for example, with salt, I think they want 2,000, and that's so where it said there for salt that 4%, that's 4% of whatever that number is, and so it's 2% of the daily value of what you need. So on a 2,000 calorie diet. So let's taste this stuff and see what it tastes like. So far it's looking pretty good. I don't know if we need to shake this first, just in case we do. And and also I don't think I mentioned that it's got 5 grams of protein. So this would be a nice drink to have while you're on the move and burning up calories and so forth. You can taste the blueness in it. I guess maybe that's why this blue thing is psychological. That blue color there, but you taste the mango. And I think there's more than one fruit in there, if I'm not mistaken. But you definitely 130 calories and little over 7 ounces. So if you're on the go and you don't want to eat some, I don't know, crackers or cookies or something that'll give you some carbs, and you just want to drink a few gulps, I think this will do it for you. This have a lot of potential usefulness, and I recommend it. Tastes okay if you like mangoes, but I'm assuming that they have other flavors as well. Tastes nice cold, and it probably tastes okay warm. In the colder weather, maybe you might not like it cold, but I think this is just outstanding. So we'll settle this one out for now, and I hope this helps you. If you've never had the product, you're now somewhat acquainted with it.